Hey guys, Johnny here, and we're down to our last case. 2 sides, and then we are gonna go straight into the bin, and then all the carded cars. Who's been keeping count? Now, I wonder how many cars we got overall in this case from this one garage sale from Grant. I haven't been keeping count, have you? Holy smokes, bila boli bila bala. I might have to count them. Now, I didn't show you all the cars. Some were really a lot of duplicates. So, you ready to dig in? I know I am. Let's get going. Who loves racing? This is another Johnny Roman Toy Car Case event. This is Race the Case. If it's in the case, it's gonna race. We don't care what it is, to the finish line. Hey, thanks for coming to the Supper Club for another Toy Car Case event. And our last case. Oh, now this has got a little bit of everything. We're gonna try and, I don't know what, we gotta squeeze this in without crushing anything. But the first thing I see right here is not a car at all, but it's an arrowhead. And again, you never know what you're gonna find in the Supper Club. Now, personally, I love arrowheads, and I would love to find one someday, all on my own, on my lonesome somewhere, but I just don't know where to go hunting. Look at this. We're starting out with a fire department fire chief car from Matchbox. Look at this thing. I am digging it. I am digging it. Ford Crown Vicky. 1996 on that. That baby will race the case, right? Oh, and look at this. What do we got here? That super slant windshield. Remember that from one of our other videos? This one is well loved. Chip it, dip it, dip it do. Maisto Jaguar XK8. This is a Resto Wonder for that. Now, this one is that new Cobra concept. Now, we saw one other like this, and I'm like, what is that? Sometimes I'm a quick learner, but sometimes not. But I like this one. This one is clean, sweet. Uh-oh, it's something different. What is this? Jammin' Products, made in China. So it's a ripoff of Jammin' Products, ripped off that one. Oh man, I wish I could find it really quick. Let me see if I can find it. Hang on. Found it! So, let's take a look at these things. Different. Look at that. It isn't a ripoff, so apologize. This one is so much better. Matchbox, I mean. And it's a Ford Shelby Cobra concept. And here's their version. It's like it's just reduced down slightly. Hardly any details at all. They're in there, but not painted or called out. Hood scoop. Look. You see it's just a bump where this one's actual a scoop. So, pretty interesting. Again, so I learn, but I don't learn. So, let's see what else we got in here. Now, I've been seeing on a lot of channels, people love these sedans. Now, look at the blue on this. Kind of interesting. Little blue highlights, some dust hairs on it. Green light. Holy smokes. Mopar. That is, I know some of you guys are jonesing over this one. It's a 300, Chrysler 300. See the 300 in there? Look at the detail on that. That is nice. That one could use a little polish up. There's hairs on it. There, that makes it a lot better. I know it does. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty schnazza-mazza on there. Oh, look at that little emblem on there. Sometimes the camera works, sometimes it don't. Sometimes you feel like a nut, right? Oh, Trentman's AC. I was watching online, there's something about a little portable AC unit, battery operated or rechargeable unit that you just pour water in, and this little kid invented it, like a 15-year-old super genius, trying to sell it. It's BRAUX, something like that, or BAUX. I'm thinking of getting one for the supper club, might be good. Pro stock Chevy S10. Oh, Pony Boy has a Chevy S10. I mean, he's making his kind of look like this, but more rat rod like. This one's kind of cool. I don't know. Sometimes I like the plain ones sometimes, but sometimes gotta have something on there. It's just too plain, and especially cars nowadays, to me, they all look alike. Not like back in the 50s and 60s, 70s, when you could really tell the difference between a car from, 40 feet away. Look at that Corvette Maisto, 97. I told you about this story, my friend trying to show off in his Corvette. He ran out of gas and we ended up pushing it down a 4-lane highway. The cops pulled up next to us and asked if they wanted to race for pink slips. They were laughing. My friend was, making fun of me earlier on that day at a shop, and he's making fun of me in front of the whole thing, and I was the butt of all his jokes, and he's like, we get in the car, look at this, it's like a pacer, chopped and channeled. And he said, oh, sorry, dude, I just like making people laugh. Sorry, I didn't mean to insult you or anything, which he totally did. But the thing is, I said, well, you're making people laugh now by pushing this Corvette down the road. Every car that went by was laughing their heads off. I know it. Bunch of old guys pushing a Corvette. That's funny. Look at this sheriff's ride. Pretty nice. It's a black car. Crown Vic, 2008. It's pretty nice. You got the cattle cruncher in front. Soda Pop was just talking about that. He made it back home safe and sound from his Colorado trip. Now he, like I told you, he changed out his timing belt right before he left. Got in the car, in his truck, and took off. Some major noises, he said. This is pretty cool. Purple with black. Continental. Lincoln Continental with suicide doors. About a 66 or so, I'm guessing. 50. Yeah, 64. Continental. So anyways, he's calling his friend, and his friend told him all about it, and they discussed it. He found all the noises and stuff and fixed them all. So he drove 14 hours back home again yesterday, and he's back home safe, so that is good. Look at this. We had a bigger version of this somewhere. Oh, it's right there. See it? In the back there. So we had a larger scale of this one. New Volkswagen bus. There's a classic VW. I'm sorry, this one does not do it for me at all compared to the old cars. I'm telling you, I think Chrysler has the best car designers ever. Their cars are always cool. Now I've heard they don't work. Microbus. This is brand spanking new microbus design. Sorry, it's not as cool as the old ones. Something about it. Here's your little bread box. Now I'm digging this one. Now there's a lot of movement and color on that, and that's what I like about it. Look at that. It cracks me up. Big sunroof. Big Mom and I always talked about a food truck or a bed and breakfast, just where we could cook breakfast for people, and it would be so much fun. Who knows? Maybe someday. Oh, look at this. What do we got here? It's a boat. This one is all plastic. Okay, that doesn't move at all. That's stationary. Made in China. But that might fit on one of my loose and spare trailers, which would be pretty cool. I don't know anything about that, but that's a pretty cool little side note. Then we got this thing. Excursion raft with a roll bar. I've never seen an inflatable with a roll bar. Got a metal base on this. Matchbox. The Tootsietoy 2013. Here's all your legal mumbo jumbo and stuff. Made in Thailand. Kind of cool. Again, I've never seen that one before. Maybe you guys have. Here's a Porsche. Like it. I'm digging it. Oh man, that is kind of nice. Porsche 934 Turbo RSR 2014. Got the little emblem on the front. Very nice. There's a lot of cars in this one. Oh, look at this. Aldo's Tuxedo Center. Aldo's. Kind of interesting. Again, with these stupid little hairs, I don't know what they are. They're like blanket fibers or something. Purple with black fenders. Very nice. This is always a body style like Hot Wheels. This is a Cadillac, right? 31 Cadillac or something. Limo. Look at that. I mean, even if you take the tampo off, that would be sweet. The purple with black fenders. Very elegant looking. Put that back there. Let's see what we got here. Got a little no name. Kind of Lotus-like. I know, a lot of people just throw those away. Don't throw them away, donate them. There's someone that'll like it or want to use it for something. Look at that. That's pretty sweet looking. We've seen one other of these. Hot Wheels. 2013. Kind of nice. So the youth group tonight is going to do a Hamilton sing-along. I've never seen it before. I know Trixie loved to sing like a cat stuck in the door. But hey, beautiful, just beautiful. Prisoner transport, sheriff. We have not been able to go into the prisons to do our classes for 10 weeks now. Oh, it's even longer than that. It's crazy. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Firebird. Opening hood. Or is it a Camaro? It's the receding headlights one. It's a Camaro, isn't it? Hot Wheels Camaro. Yep, 67 Camaro. Look at that. Again, taking the tampo off, this is pretty chipped up. I don't think you would gain a lot, because I don't think the paint is chipped on this. No, not at all, just the tampo. So if you took that all off, you'd have a nice blue Camaro. I don't know if they made them in that color blue, but that's okay. Look at this. Got a sticker on top. Couple stickers, just like tiki things. It's that surf bus, which is pretty sweet. Surf and school bus, different look to it, in white with yellow fenders. Interesting. Guys, like, this needs color. I need to add some stickers on it. Grant. Totally cool. Oh, this one's heavy. It's our little hippie van from Pixar. He is pit crew. Got his headband with some gas drinks on it. Whoa, look at all these sponsor stickers on the back. Save Mother Road. These are pretty funny. I brake for jackalopes. Again, when they make something like this, they put a lot of detail into it. Very funny. Designers always got some sneaky snake to put in there. Trick is, will the people catch it? VW bus. Sorry, I'm talking a little low because it's getting hot out here and it just sucks the life out of you. On an old supper club, that's why I was thinking one of those portable air conditioners might be a cool little thing to get, literally. Unit 2, this one's pretty nice. Matchbox, 2010. Ford F550 Super Duty. Oh, that's after the prune juice, right? Holy smokes, that is great. But that back end is plastic. It needs some customizing and painting, if you know what I mean. Oh, here's one of Adam's favorite, and this one is clean as a whistle. So that is cool. I forget what it is every time. And it's no name on it, too. Oh, this one's made in Vietnam. And made for Mickey! That one is nice. Metal. Plastic base, plastic windows. Here's another little no-name with louvers, which is always fun for me. Look how those wheels are sunk in. But they're rolling. Oh, no, that's jacked. That's pushed back. See how indented that is? Why is that? Is it because the wheel's stuck in that? It just jammed in there. Oh, let me play with it a little bit, see if I can get it undone. Hang on. look at that. Literally a little click, switch, look, and that is level again. We're good to go. That one rolls. Look at that. I mean, not super fast, but it rolls, and that's all that matters. Oh, look at what we got here. This is like a Corvette, tuned Corvette. Kind of fun. Yep. And a can of panel stand on the side. McCully Racing. Hot Wheels 2004. Malaysia Corvette. Yeah, that's a tuned. This thing is like compact and meaty. It's heavy. That should do good on the track. Oh, look. Look what we got here. We got a little Batman cave barricade. Oh, this is a color changer, right? It is light plastic, kind of freaky looking. RDOB. Man, I'm gonna go get a glass of water and dip this baby. Hang on. So, I don't know which is better. So this is hot water, this is cold. So let's take a look. Oh, this is gonna get messy. Super Fan B, let's consider this. Washing the car. Oh, look at this. A little blood on the paper towel from when old Johnny sliced his leg open. Idiot. Okay, here we go. Ready? So hot water. Ready? Dipping it in there. Oh. Look at this. Totally changed. Very cool. I like this a lot better. And then let's dip it in the cold water and see what happens. Oh, look at that. How fun is that? Depending on warm or cold, it changes totally. Let's dip the cold again. Look at that. That is wild, isn't it? Again, oh, that's where my finger was. Just imagine, you can see it change color as soon as I drop it in there. Just imagine coming up with the technology, you science guys, engineering people that understand all the fancy things in life. That's what makes you millionaires, and the rest of us play with Hot Wheels, right? That's pretty sweet. I'm digging that. I do like that color right now, but let's change it back to blue. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Get it really cold. So I know that we've run into a lot of other ones, but I've never actually dipped them until today. So pretty wild. And then when it goes room temperature, what does it really go to? Look at that. As soon as you dip it in, blue or green. Look at that, blue right away. So much fun. Halfway. So there's your two variations. Pretty wild, huh? Again, Hot Wheels. For us simple-minded like me, it's just really so much fun to do whatever you want to do. And make it stripes. You could do whatever you want. Ah. So I know it's a futuristic car or fantasy car, but I like it. Let me get rid of this water. I'll be right back. Oh, I just went and showed Trixie. She loved it. She's never seen a car that changed colors before, but we've never tried. I know we've got these color changers, so we're going to have to do that more often. That was pretty cool. Liked it. We'll see if that changes colors just sitting there. Here's that Maisto sedan that is just really very nice. I wish this was made out of metal and a little bit bigger. That would be sweet. This is a very small scale. Maisto 32 Ford. Just such a sweet casting. It just needs to be a little bit bigger. Here's our Lego car. See if we can get a focus on it. Just kind of interesting. Manufactured for GMI. Mega Brands. So it's not a Lego, it's a Mega Brands version, which is okay. We got a Richie's Pizzeria. It's cheesy. It sure is. Put a nice little microbus on that, right, Saul? Go check out Saul. It's Saul's Diecast Odyssey. He's doing all sorts of challenges with everyone. There's all sorts of cool people. He is like the Pied Piper of us all, keeping us all together. And look at that. Is that a gun case? I don't know. I doubt it. That is pretty wild. Arctic Team, Matchbox, Thailand, Desert Thunder V16. Look at that. And we got this. Oh, what's in here? There's some little pieces in there. Got this flatbed truck. It feels like a no-name. Very lightweight. Disposal truck. So we're missing. But someone X'd the spot. Maisto. Too bad we don't have the rest of that. And then we got a little microbus. Now this is a true hippie van. Very early microbuses. Now there's little pieces in here. Let's see what this is. A busted wheel from something. I don't remember what. Oh, one of our semi front grills. Oh, do you got that? Hang on. I think it's right there. I wonder if I can reach it. Oh, is this? No, it isn't. I thought this was the bumper. It is a bumper to VW, but this is bigger. See, the holes don't match up. The pegs and holes. Oh, that would have been cool if that was the bumper. Now, again, a little creative cutting and sawing. We can easily make that line up. Oh, that would have been cool if it was the piece for that. What else do we have in there? Anything? Nope. I think that's it. Oh, that is one piece. Oh, wait. We got one Lego piece in here. Again, we'll throw that in our Lego bin. That is it. Okay, let's take a look at what we got here. Hang on, throwing away a little piece of yarn I found in there. Oh, this is good. Let me kind of straighten them out a little bit. We're closing in the gap. Oh, so here they all are lined up. Pretty cool. Oh, there are some good ones in there. There's a green light in there. 300. Look at all these. Such a good variety. And again, we're down to the last like 3 videos. We're at, I think, video number 700 million of this collection. Whoa, look at all these cars. And this is just part of them, I'm telling you. Oh, just amazing. So I wonder how many there are. Want to guess at them? I'm going to count them when we're all done with these. Look at it, even some hiding out back there. We've tucked a couple in here. Look at this. Just amazing. All these back here. Plus I have a bin on the floor of probably another 50 that are oversized. Now there are pieces and parts and missing stuff and things like that, but that's okay. I'm telling you, there's some really cool cars in all these. Some micro machines. That was a surprise to find. Some Thomas the Trains. More micro machines kind of tucked in throughout. We got dollar store cheapies to very expensive nice stuff. Tanks, look at this. Even figures. Oh, and here's the bin that we still have to go through. Oh, but let's go racing, right? Here we go. Let's go racing. We're grabbing right from the front. We'll see what happens here. Line these babies up. Oh, he's all crooked and stuff. There's a starting line stickers. Ready? Go. Oh. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can help these through. Ready? Go. Oh. Let me tell you, these guys are rah. We gotta get them off the track. Now we do have one back there off the track, so I'm thinking this one might make it through just as is. Let's see. Seems to be going pretty fast. It's wide, and so it gets caught up in that upper track. Let's put this in the lower track and see what happens. Oh, that's good. Got a bunch of, oh, we got 2 coppers here, so that's cool. Let's race those guys together. Okay. Whoa. That's pretty funny. Let's see if we can get these guys through the track. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Go. The bus did a rollover. Now I met a family way back when I was just a tiny kid at a place where we used to vacation, and they were part of the railroad industry and just nice people. They had the first tour bus converted into a camper back in the day, and they rolled it. They were all pot smokers. Whoa! That was crazy. Oh no, our Continental isn't gonna make it up here. Oh. Got a couple cars hitting the ground. Oh, look. There we go. A little patience. Hang on, let me pick these ones up off the ground. let's see what else we can race here. Maybe these two trucks. Whoa! Just seeming like got a second wind and then just flipped over on the track. This guy, holy smokes, he just rolled over and played dead. Let's get him off the track. He's in a dangerous spot. Let's go see what these two do. Oh! Nice. Little crack, whack-a-lack-a-jack at the end. Let's race these two guys. See what they do. Not good. Oh! Still made it. Oh, let's do some no names. This might be a huge mistake, but gotta try them. Everyone gets a chance in the gene pool here. Oh! This guy didn't quite make it, but let's see what happens. Perfect, he's off the track. Now, I want to race this green white against this Porsche. Chrysler 300 against a Porsche. Green light is super heavy. Green light climbing up and over. Oh, that was pretty good racing. So let me gather them all up. I'll be right back. Oh, that is it for this one. Very cool. Some really cool cars in here. Here they all are, lined up back again. Again, remember, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Oh, I appreciate all you guys just hanging out at the supper club. Remember all our dogs? We got all our dogs. This has been a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. Remember, life does not start till after 3/16. So, rock on, my friends, rock on. We only got 3 more videos to go. And the monstrosity of the garage sale is done. Oh, yeah, I wonder. Like I said, 3 more videos, and I'm going to try and figure out how many cars we got here. That is going to be fun. Talk to you later. See you on the flip-flop on the orange blacktop. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.